Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to add PayPal to your Facebook Marketplace in 2025. If you're buying or selling items online, integrating PayPal can make payments faster, safer, and more convenient. Whether you're a frequent shopper or a budding seller, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a verified PayPal account. If you don't, hop over to the PayPal website, sign up quickly, and verify your details. It's straightforward and free. Once that's done, open your Facebook app or website and log in to your account. Now, head to the Marketplace section. You can find it by tapping the store icon on the bottom menu or searching for Marketplace in the search bar. Next, go to your profile settings within Marketplace. Look for the Selling or Your Account option. It's usually under a gear icon or menu. Here, you'll see a section for payment methods. Click on Add Payment Method and select PayPal from the available options. Facebook might prompt you to log into your PayPal account directly, so enter your credentials when asked. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. This step ensures that Facebook and PayPal can communicate securely for your transactions. Once authorized, double-check that PayPal is now listed as an active payment option in your Marketplace settings. That's it. You're all linked up. One quick tip: always review your payment settings for security, like enabling two-factor authentication on both platforms. Adding PayPal opens up more buying and selling opportunities, but remember to stay vigilant against scams. If you follow these steps, you'll be ready to handle payments like a pro in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.